Welcome to another Recraft video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a photo of yourself and place yourself in different scenarios using only 2 Recraft tools. Let's dive in. Let's pretend that this photo is of you. First, let's change the scenario. Select your image and click the Change Background tool. Create a prompt that describes the background and click Change Background. The Change Background tool will help place ourselves in different scenarios. Let's do one more scenario. Now we will use the Modify Area tool to change the clothes to better match the scenario. And there you have it. I hope you find this quick tutorial helpful. See you in the next one.